on one of my big mirrors. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you like it, please comment. If you have anything new for us to learn, hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much. I am growing, and of course, notification button as well, so that you know when I have the new video out. Like I said, we are growing. We are growing people, so I appreciate you. And by the way, shout out to one of my subscribers that really said to me, listen, I'm looking for this bag that you did on the one of my videos. I think it was an Amazon one. So she liked the bag. Unfortunately, it's not available in the US. Apologies for that. That taught me to also put links to my video, so you will see part 1 has links, prices, description of what was bought. Of course, we are thrifting, guys, because we are. Part 2 is really showing you what your budget can do. And as you can see, our tree is up. On the video, you won't see the green balls, but I've got the ribbons. And this is one of the lights that I got from, like I said, one of the wreaths. Sorry, yeah, it is a wreath. So yeah, we did the best that we can. Some are old, these balls are old, some are new, ribbons new. I have lost some of my decor as well along the way. I don't know where it is. Like, we do have a family, I call it an heirloom, that I bought. I think I used to come in and out of Manchester when we still lived in Joburg, South Africa. And it's written our names on it so that we can put on a tree. We had it last year, but can't seem to find it for the life of me. So yeah, guys, it is what it is. As you move along the world, that's what happens to your thing. So like I said, guys, firstly, enjoy your decor. Do it the way you feel you should do it, okay? Do your own design. I mean, I had to just patch my stuff. Some of the things, like I say, might not be available where you are, but make the best of your decor. Some people don't like Christmas. That's also okay. I do a little bit of things there and there. So and I must show you. Wait a minute. This is my favorite stuff. Check what I have here. This is not, I haven't wrapped up my gifts. Check this out. I love this. It's cool. This is definitely not one of my Ralph Lauren decor. So like I said, do it your way. Do it your way. Do it your way. Okay? Alright, guys. Without further ado, enjoy the video. Let me know what you think. Even if it's rubbish, also let me know about that. Be kind though. Right, y'all. Have a good one. See you later in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.